Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we're taking it straight into the video. I will be giving y'all a tour of my stay at SLS Bahama, and of course we're starting off with the room. And y'all, let me just tell you, the place is gorgeous, so spacious, so modern. I love everything about this place. The lighting in here is everything. I really like how everything is just so detailed, starting off with the wooden floors, and then we have the iridescent glass for the shower and the toilet. Like, damn, SLS didn't come to play. Everything just so on point. Yeah, so that was it for our cute little bathroom setup, on fleek or whatever. But now it's time to take it straight into the bedroom. And I just love how everything in here just sets the mood. SLS really know what they were doing. Y'all, before I get carried away, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you guys so much for watching and always rocking with me. Give thanks. That was the end of the room tour, so now I'll be giving y'all a hotel tour, showing y'all a bit more of the outside of the hotel, and I will be starting at the entrance and taking y'all in with me. Y'all, on a scale of 1 to 10, for real, just tell me how beautiful you think this lobby is, because oh my god. Another thing I love about this hotel is that it's dog friendly, so I could take Clary out for a walk anytime. I won't lie, I find the place very breathtaking. It's nice, man, I give it that. As for the people, they have been very nice to me, very friendly. I can't complain, I really like the place. Clary in his zone as usual, getting some love. Yeah, so in this video I tried to get as much as I could of, but unfortunately some of the places were closed, like the bird aviary. I wanted to show you all the stingrays and whatnot, but it was closed. So what you see in my video is not all of SLS Bahama. There's much more that I didn't get a chance to show y'all. So yeah, with that being said, just enjoy the video. Don't forget to give your girl a like, subscribe, comment, and feel free to share. Such a nice place for a family vacation. I think anybody would enjoy this stay here, from the children going up to their father, mother, grandmother. Nice place to see. You can just swim while you're watching animals swim. The turtles, the sharks, and them is a vibe. And the way everything's set up, like they have lifeguards at each pool, so you know you can't go wrong. No way you're drowning here. So people like me who can't swim, don't worry you in that. The lifeguards have you covered. And now we're off to the Flamingo bar, and guess what I learned about flamingos, y'all? I didn't know that they were born gray and then like they get their color, that kind of pinkish orangish color, from like the stuff they eat, like crabs and whatnot. And that's the national bird of the Bahamas. Yeah. So now y'all, we on to the koi fishes, and I really like koi fish because I think they symbolize good luck and stuff, and those are just so big. Yeah, and the setup is everything. I love it. Now y'all, here on the other side, just remember the fountains and the trees and everything. Yes, right here, because I'm going to show you all some nighttime footage of this place, and trust me, it'll take your breath away. Amazing. Taking you onto the beach with me right now. Right now we're on the dock, and the scenery is just everything. The scenery is gorgeous. I think I mentioned that so much throughout the video, how beautiful the place is, but hey y'all, you can't deny it. It is what it is. Yes, and the people, oh my gosh, I know I said that already, but friendly. I love it, super friendly. I felt so welcomed. Y'all just look at how the chairs are, the beach chairs are in the water. Perfect place for a selfie. I mean, like, where in here is not a perfect place for a selfie? Like, walking around, and that's all I wanted to do was take selfies. Yeah, so that was it for the outside. Now I'm going to take y'all into the hotel at night so you will get a feel of what the vibe is. I'll also be showing y'all a bit of the outside as well, and let me tell y'all, stunning. Just watch till the end, and if you haven't as yet, feel free to give your girl a thumbs up and ring that notification bell. Okay, y'all, so that was it for the lobby at night, and I'm sure that y'all can agree with me that the place was just beautiful. Now I think we're onto the casino, and I just like how so much thought went into it. Spacious, nice, everybody getting a chance at something. You have the high-end stores right next to the casino, so you know people about to spend some money when they hit that jackpot. Yeah man, I like it. Not forgetting the ladies at all. You have our little makeup thing going on here. Yeah man. And I had to appreciate this chandelier. Yo, I never seen one like that in my life. That just so gorgeous, man. The thing nice, beautiful. And what's a little tour without stopping by to get something to eat? And that was just one of the many restaurants they have on Complex, and the food to die for. They also given you a little bit of history or whatever. I see on that side they have some coral reefs. Nature is such a beautiful thing. You can't even get two of the same, like each one just different. I'm not Vina, y'all. But I sure y'all just do it too. Stop in the mirror when y'all pass by. Now we're going on to the Sky Bar. It's like a bar kind of nightclub right to the top of the hotel, so you can get a view of the entire hotel and the other SLS hotels as well. And let me tell you, the view is impeccable. The view is just lovely. The vibe there too. You have your live band. It's just nice. So while you're having your little drink, listening to some live music, watching a great view, I mean, what more can you ask for? Now y'all, this part is about to be the best part because, well, my favorite part, my personal favorite part, y'all have to see this. I'm taking y'all outside now to see the outside of the hotel at night. So yeah.
Oh, perfect timing. Wow. Oh, cool. Let's go on top of the bridge.
Y'all see how beautiful that is? That's so romantic to me. Like, you could just stand on top of the bridge and watch the fountains do their thing. Well, you kind of get wet, but hey, it's just so nice. And this is the place I was telling you all about earlier on. Y'all see that? I wish the fire would come on. Well, the fire actually did come on. I was actually waiting for the fire to come on to show y'all a bit of footage, because to me that just blew me off my feet. That just so nice. And like, if you could have feel the temperature, it was just perfect, because like the night cold, but when you stand by that, you just feel it so Yes, SLS really outdid themselves. So yes y'all, that was it for my vlog. Sorry I didn't do much talking in person like in the video itself, but I promise y'all that I have a lot more coming. Thank you all so much for watching. I love y'all. Bye.